Namaskar friends, MC Education welcomes you all. In this session, we will do 25 questions of computer knowledge. These questions are very important for various competitive examinations. Let us begin this session. This is set 1 of computer knowledge. By default, how many worksheets are there in an MS Excel workbook 2007? By default, how many worksheets are there in an MS Excel workbook 2007? Question number 1 is, options are A 2, B 1, C 4, D 3, and the correct answer for this will be D 3. There are actually 3 worksheets by default in MS Excel workbook 2007. So option D will be correct. Question number 2. The font size of 72 points in MS Word 2007 is equal to how many inches? Options are 1.0, 0.125, 0.5, 0.25. Font size of 72 points in MS Word 2007. Correct answer for this is 1 inch. 72 points in MS Word 2007 is equal to 1 inch. So option A will be correct. Question number 3. Which of the following is not an option of menu bar in MS Word 2007? Insert, home, internet, page layout. Insert, home, internet, page layout. Among these, internet is not one of the options provided in menu bar in MS Word 2007. So C option will be correct. Question number 4. Which of the following is not a service offered by an internet service provider? Internet access, web administration, domain name registration, dial-up access. Web administration is not provided by ISP, Internet Service Provider. So, B option will be correct. Question number 5. Which of the following is not a search engine? Ask, Yahoo, Safari, Bing. Ask, Yahoo, Safari, Bing. Among these, Safari is not a search engine. It is web browser and it is Apple web browser. So option C is correct. Safari is not a search engine. Question number 6. Which of the following is the full form of CC, a field of email header? Options are A, character copy, B, control copy, C, continuous copy, D, carbon copy. And among these, we have so many options in email header which contains CCC, CC and BCC. CC stands for carbon copy. So D option will be correct. And one more option is there, BCC, which is blind carbon copy. So CC will be for carbon copy, and as a result D option is correct in this case. Question number 7. Which of the following can be used to change the width of the columns in a table in MS Word? A, table properties, B, define, C, insert, D, translate. Correct answer for this is table properties. table properties, A option will be correct in this case. In table properties or by using table properties in MS Word, we can change the width of the column in a table. Question number 8. Which of the following is not a valid paragraph alignment in MS Word? Justify, left, top, right. Justify is there, left is there, top is not there. So top will be correct answer for us. They had asked us what? Which of the following is not a valid paragraph alignment, and top is not a valid paragraph alignment in MS Word. So C, top will be correct option for this. Question number 9. What does the term HTTPS mean? Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, Hypertext Translation Protocol Service, Hypertext Transfer Protocol Service, Hypertext Translation Protocol Secure. And HTTPS, PS Protocol Secure, and HTT means Hypertext Transfer. So A option will be correct. Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. These are used widely in internet these days, especially if you are visiting a banking site or some site where transactions are to be done, or visitors there transact. In that case, they use HTTPS, and S stands for secure. HTTP, it is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So option A is correct in this case. Question number 9, A option is correct. Question number 10. Every computer connected to the internet must have A or N LED display, tertiary memory, IP address, switch. Every computer connected to the internet must have an IP address. So it is C option correct for this. IP address. Every computer must have an IP address, and then only it can be connected to the internet. Question number 11. What is the result of the following MS Excel formula? 256 by 8 by 4 by 2. By this backslash is used for division. 256 by 8 by 4 by 2, and in MS Excel it goes from left to right. So we will first divide 256 by 8 to obtain 32. Then 32 is divided by 4 to give us 8, and then 8 is divided by 2 to give us 4. So 4 will be the correct answer for this, and D is the correct option available for us. It is always from left to right. If you are working with MS Excel, Microsoft Excel, and you are writing a formula, it will be always operated from left side to the right side. So option D is correct for question number 11. Question number 12. Which of the following is not allowed in an email ID? Dot, numeric digits, capital letters, blank space. Blank spaces are not allowed in an email ID. You all must have an email ID, as you have applied for various examinations. Their email are short for. So you have seen email ID has no blank space. Actually, blank spaces are not allowed inside an email ID. So D will be the correct option for question number 12. Question number 13. Which of the following is not a character formatting option in MS Word? font size, style, alignment. Font size, font style, alignment. Font size and font style are character formatting options in MS Word, and alignment is paragraph level formatting option. Paragraph is aligned, so D is the correct option for question number 13. Question number 14. Under which of the following menu tabs are page setup options usually available in MS Word 2007? Page setup is available in which menu bar? Insert, home, page layout, review. And correct answer is page layout. In page layout option in the menu bar, you can find page setup. So, page layout. Option C is correct for question number 14. Question number 15. What is the full form of OSI? Open Software Interrelation, Open System Interrelation, Open Software Interconnection, Open System Interconnection. It is Open System Interconnection. Open System Interconnection, OSI. And OSI has full form Open System Interconnection. It has various layers. It has 7 layers. We will discuss it in coming videos. So, here D option is correct for question number 15. OSI has full form Open System Interconnection. Question number 16. The metal or plastic case that houses the physical components of a computer together is called the metal or plastic case that houses the physical components of a computer together is called the central processing unit, that is CPU, storage device, motherboard, system unit. Correct answer for this is system unit. So D will be the correct. System unit is in a computer. What it does? Actually, it houses the physical components of a computer together. System units. Question number 17. Which of the following is not a computer programming language? C, C++, Fortran, Windows. Among these, C, C++, and Fortran. Fortran has extension formula transfer, and C and C++ are basic languages. Windows are not basic languages. Windows are actually not programming language. Windows are meta family of graphical operating systems. Windows are meta family of graphical operating system, and it is marketed by Microsoft. Servers are computers that provide resources to other computers connected to a network, mainframe, supercomputer, client. And servers are computers that provide resources to other computers connected to a network. So option A will be correct in this case. Artificial intelligence is the science that attempts to produce machines that display the same type of intelligence that humans do. The manipulation of matter on an atomic, molecular, and supramolecular scale. The imitation of the operation of a real world process or system over time. the method of storing and transmitting data in a particular form so that only those for whom it is intended can read and process it. Among these, artificial intelligence. These days, AI is in very much in news. So, you all know option A is correct. Actually, what AI does, the science, it is a science that attempts to produce machines that display the same type of intelligence that humans do. So, A option is correct for question number 19. Question number 20. The CPU clock's speed is normally expressed in megahertz, 500 megahertz beats per clock tick bytes per second, and it is megahertz. Megahertz in megahertz, CPU clock speed is normally expressed. Option A is correct for question number 20. Question number 21. Which of the following is not an input device? Mousepad, touchpad, keyboard, optical scanner. Touchpad, keyboard and optical scanners are input devices, and here A option, that is mousepad, is not an input device. Actually, mouse is an input device, but mousepad has nothing to do with input. Question number 22. A web page uses which of the following extensions? .mdb, .exe, .htm, .hlp. Web pages are made by using HTML, hypertext markup language, and its extension is either .htm, so C is correct, or .html is also used. So C option is correct for question number 22. Question number 23. SQL is database management system, stands for. SQL in database management system stands for single query language, sequential query language, structured query language, structured question language. And SQL has a full form structured query language. So C option will be correct in this case. Question number 23. C option is correct. SQL is in database management system, stands for structured query language. Question number 24. Which process checks to ensure the components of the computer and operating systems are connected properly? Editing, serving, coding, booting. Booting is the initial process by which a computer opens. So, this is the process which checks to ensure the components of the computer and operating systems are connected properly. Booting. D option is correct for question number 24. Booting is the option by which a computer begins working. Last question of this session, question number 25. The first generation computers were programmed using object code, assembly language, source code, machine language. The first generation computers were programmed using machine language, so option D will be correct. So we have done 25 questions in this session. I hope you have enjoyed this session, and if you have enjoyed this session, please like this video, and if you have not subscribed it yet, this channel yet, you must subscribe it. Please subscribe it, and Thank you for watching. Thanks a lot. Hope to see you again in our next video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.